How to buy Mr.Orange token. Now this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of Orange Lad. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money reward on crypto with this referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available right now in the screener. It's created 5 days ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address, and as you can see, open your fund to mine it for that. Now click here on spot. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able, as you can see, to be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see, turn it off. And now you can switch the slippage from here on customer, because the most features, as you know, came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Orange Lad token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.